Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's JJ. Today we're coming back with a video talking about Haru Invest, and of course on my previous content itself, we have talked about Haru Invest offering like free bonuses, free Bitcoin, and of course, is it still up to grab? Yes, definitely it is, but of course it is lesser than what is shown previously on the content. And of course, without further ado, we are going to jump into the content itself. I would say this content itself is not about financial advice, not asking you to put your funds in or whatsoever. I'm just going to show you the products that they are offering, what is Haru Invest, and after that, what am I invested in? And of course, you can use your own due diligence, do your own research before investing into it. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, we are going to start the content on what is Haru Invest. So without further ado, I'm going to close the screen and after that explain to you. So on Haru Invest itself, we can see that this is the platform that I've been using, and of course, I would say one of my favorite platform and most secure, and of course I would say maybe you want to call it a most reliable platform that I'm using. So we're here to the secure way to invest and earn starts here. So on Haru Invest itself, they have their own mobile application that is available on Android and Apple. And after that, over here you can see this discover why 140 plus country members in this country itself trust us by with managing and growing their crypto. So I am one of them. And after that, over here you can see you can get started, and of course the trust matters. I'm just going to explain to you what is Haru Invest for those who are new. 4.1 million total numbers of earned payout. Basically over here they have paid out $4.1 million if I'm not wrong. So over here the transactional value itself is $2.11 billion that has been withdrawn and after they deposited onto their platform. And after that, 140 plus country with members using their platform, basically talking about sign up and after that depositing in, and after that you can see it is protected by BitGo as well. And if you scroll down itself, they have already like done some explanation. Up you can earn up to 14% rates with no other DeFi services out there that is offering this amount on Bitcoin, Ethereum, US Tether, and XRP. And after that is a direct asset management. So I would say this platform itself is like a trading platform. I would say a hedge fund, something like that. They use the funds to help you invest in like trading, and after that, from there, they are not doing stupid things like loaning their funds, over collateralizing, and after that, not taking people's money to play the DeFi platform. And after that, you can see there's no other DeFi services that is providing this, no CeFi that is providing this as well. The rates is high, and Haru wallet itself, this is the flexible plan that you can use to basically earn 5.3 Bitcoin, 5.2% in Ethereum, 6.5% in US Tether, 2.5% in XRP, and over here you can see deposit and withdraw anytime, no lockup required, and after the daily compounding interest. So compounding itself is a very powerful tool, and of course earning payouts daily. So every day you will receive payouts as long as you have your funds on Haru Invest. And of course we're going to talk about which are the best product that they're offering. So before we talk about the best product itself, I would like to tell you there's a free $50 in Bitcoin that Haru Invest is offering over here. If you want to invite your friends or family, just use my link down below, haruinvest.com, and after that using the code as simply everything crypto, and after that over here just deposit $500 in Haru Invest and using the earn plus or the earn explore only to be eligible for this $50 in Bitcoin. So as of now, this referral program is slightly new. I would say it's very new. They just launched it like less than a month. I would say less than a week. Basically they are running this incentive for you to basically earn additional $50 in Bitcoin with for your friends and yourself. So they're offering basically, I would say, $50 for you and $50 for your referral. And after that over here, they just need to do is basically sign up on Haru Invest, use the earn plus or earn explore, lock up $500, and after that in Bitcoin or Ethereum or US Tether or XRP, just put the funds in with this earn plus and earn explore, you will be able to receive the $50 in Bitcoin instantly credited to you. And after that, from there, I would say this over here, it is available for a limited time only. So to be honest, if let's say maybe, or let's say the next month they might just cancel this program, or they will just reduce the rate over here shown. Maybe it will go up to $20 or even $10 depending on the demand. And after that, yeah, basically how many people is referring. And of course, if let's say you are new to the platform, sign up today and receive your free $50 now. And after that, I would say we are gonna talk about the best product. So the best product itself, you can see that they're offering the Haru wallet. Basically, it's a flexible term. Over here is the earn plus. It's the similar thing as your Haru wallet, but instead of flexible, it is locking up turn. From 15%, you will earn 6% in Bitcoin, and after that, 365 days, you will earn 13.5 in Bitcoin. Ethereum itself, the maximum is 13%, lowest is 5.9, US Tether lowest is 7.2, highest is 14%, XRP highest is 12%, and after the lowest is 3.5%. Over here, this over here is simply a lockup turn, like a contract basis. You can select the days that you want to, and of course, the longer it is, the more you earn. Simple to understand. And of course, over here, this over here is the favorite and the best product, I would say, that is offered on Haru Invest. Over here, you can see that the rates that they are targeting slash offering is 25% on Bitcoin asset, and the lockup itself is only a merely of 3 months plus. And after that, over here, the US Tether itself is only 1 month, and after that, it is earning 22.5% projected, and Ethereum 21.5% 3 months plus. And of course, over here, farming just got easy. This over here is I would say that this over here has a risk to get your funds getting negative. What I mean by that, if let's say you invested in it, you will basically see that your funds might get a negative result. But instead of this product that I use, I like to use the Bitcoin and Ethereum one, because these three products over here, so far my usage on it, I would say, and I've never seen a negative return, but instead everything is positive, and I'm just gonna show you why is that. So over here you can see I've deposited another 2 Bitcoin that is coming into the platform waiting for confirmation. So over here, if you click on the close account itself, you can see that I've invested with them. And after that, these are a few of the products that I've used, basically the Earn Plus itself, and after that, the Earn Explore. So I would say Earn Explore itself is what I love the most, because if you click on it itself, you can see during this period itself, I have generated from May to August, generated almost 17.2% on Bitcoin. And the total rate shown is basically 17.7% instead of this 25% that is targeted. Doesn't matter, because you are still earning more than the Earn Plus. If you want to look at the rates itself, you can see for 90 days itself over here, we're just going to put in 90 days. For 90 days on the Earn Plus, you're going to earn only 8.8%, and 1 Bitcoin will give you around 0.02. But of course, if we look at our platform over here, we have this portfolio value, basically this amount of Bitcoin that is selected in. Just going to put like that. So over here, for this amount for 90 days itself, you are earning 0.0221 Bitcoin. And after that, if you use this Earn Explore itself, you are going to make slightly much more. Scrub itself 0.042, basically the double the amount that is shown over here, if let's say you're going to use the Earn Plus. But of course, I would say this over here has some risk, because they are using and trading. If you want to know the risk, just head back to the account, start Earn Explore over here. And over here, you can see that this over here, who are targeting higher returns investment in addition of basically Bitcoin change, the price changing, and after that, blah, blah, blah. Basically, they're going to trade on it. And after that, you can see that trading itself is not a guaranteed product. So over here, by trading and investing, you may lose your principal. And after that, the past performance data itself is for references only, and after that, not deemed as financial advice or guarantee profit for the future. And over here, you can see performance. They will do they will update you twice a month, mid-month, and after the end of the month, they will basically email to all users about this product, telling you how is the investment going. And after that, you can just wait for the end of the product to end. So over here, the end date itself is on January 31st. If I put my funds in, and after that, you can see that this over here will take 3 business days to basically credit it back to my wallet. So over here, I would say, if let's say you have some funds that is lying around in your wallet or whatsoever, you want it to work for you, feel free to use the Haru Invest platform. And of course, I'm going to share with you what am I currently invested in on Haru Invest right now. So for what you can see over here on my wallet itself, it is showing 2.2k, and after that 1.7 in Ethereum, and I'm going to show you what is it. So if I click on my Earn and portfolio over here, you can see there's 2 Earn Plus being locked up, and after that, this over here was locked up like previously quite long ago, 365 days both, and after that, it's generating some passive income. Yeah, definitely. And after that, over here, these are the amount that you can see expect. And after that, over here, you can see it's 13.4 annually. And if you head back to the Earn Explore, the Earn Plus, the calculator itself, you might see something different. It is showing only 13%. Why is that so? Because on Earn Plus itself, they are going to change the rate bi-weekly. Every 2 weeks, they're going to adjust the rate. And of course, if let's say you're lucky enough to lock up at a high rate, good for you. And after, if let's say you're unlucky, you suddenly lock up on 365 days, but of course on only 13%, you're losing out 0.4%. Doesn't matter. So I would say, do not, like, if let's say you have 10 Ethereum to play, do not do a lump sum onto this Earn Explore itself, because the rate will change bi-weekly. But of course, what I want to basically mention itself for the Haru Invest product, I'll always use the Earn Explore to basically generate some additional passive income because the rate that they're offering is shown over here. But of course, on your Earn Plus, you have potentially make double on the same time itself, but of course hedging a lot higher risk. So for my case itself, I have not seen like a negative return on the portfolio itself, and therefore I trust the Unexplore a lot, because over here you can see I have like some of it on Ethereum, but of course there's no negative return, and of course they do take a performance fee of 15% if your projected raise itself is more than, I think, 10% or something like that. And of course I would say over here you can see these are all the bi-weekly itself. Every 2 weeks they give you an update on your investment, and at the end of the whole thing itself, I generated almost 4.9%. Total return is still 4.9. If you look at the APY itself, projected is 17.04. And yeah, doesn't matter, it is still higher, and I would say it's only 3 months. Within 3 months itself, you can make around 4.9% of return. I would say it's not so bad. To be honest, every month is almost 1.3% in returns. And after that, I would say, yeah, I'm just gonna tell you that right now, the product that I'm gonna invest in is waiting for these 2 Bitcoin to be confirmed deposited into the account. I'm gonna head over to the Earn, and after that scroll down, click on this Earn Explore on Bitcoin, and after that I'm just gonna get started, put in the amount that is credited, and of course disable this option. If let's say if you enable this option itself, after this date itself, it will just refresh the principal and whatever is earned onto a new contract, and it will be locked. And once it's locked itself, you cannot terminate it until it ends. So I would say, if let's say you do not know what you're doing, always remember to click on the option over here, the auto renewal. Just disable it, just in case if let's say you do not want to continue, or let's say you suddenly need some funds itself. So I would say for those who can afford to do this within the next 3 months, you're not going to spend or whatsoever, just let your money work for you. And after that, I would say, if you want to join the product itself, use the link down below and get your free Bitcoin. And of course, I would say I'll end the video. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye bye. Peace.